So in this next problem, we're going to draw a very specific triangle. One of the most commonly used triangles in construction, especially from a layout perspective, just to make sure everything is nice and square. So this one here, I actually have to measure. So I'm going to flip my ruler upside down. I think the shadows are going to hide the numbers here a little bit. But I just want to start out somewhere lower down on my paper here. And I'm actually going to draw a 4-inch line. Okay? So from there to there. There, point to there. And I'll just flip over my ruler just so you can see. Hopefully I have enough room. No, I don't. Anyway, if I go from 5 to 9, you know that that's 4 inches. Right? 5 to 9, that's a 4-inch line that I drew. Now, I'm going to take my compass and I'm going to set it up at 0. And then I want to set my radius from 0 up to 3. So it'll take a second just to get yourself exactly where you want to be. But that there now has a radius of 3 set on the compass. So now on line AB, which we will label. Now from B, no specific reason why from B, but that's just what I chose to do. So from B, I just want to scribe an arc above. Okay? And again, for this, you just want to make it somewhere where it's going to hit a perpendicular line that I draw up here. Okay? Then, what you want to do is you want to set your compass up to 5 inches. And so you're going to go out a little bit farther here. And we're going to set our compass up to about 5 inches. Not about, actually. I want it exactly 5 inches. So there you go. I'm set up at 5 inches. That's my radius. And now what I want to do from A, set the compass point on A, and now I want to scribe an arc that cuts through the one we previously drew. Right? Now, using my straight edge, this creates point C, which when I connect B to C, very accurately, you get the idea, and then I connect A to C, this creates a perfect right-angled triangle, with this side being 3, in this case inches, this side being 4, in this case inches, and then the hypotenuse being 5. Okay? This is what we call in construction a 3, 4, 5 triangle, and the gentleman who discovered this was Pythagoras, which this is coined Pythagorean Theorem, which, as we know, is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, which just means the sum of the squares of the two sides. So in this case, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. The sum of the squares of the two sides are equal to the square of the hypotenuse, right? So 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. 9 plus 16 equals 25, which 5 times 5 is 25. So the sum of the squares of the sides equal the square of the hypotenuse. And this is a perfect right-angled triangle and extensively used in construction for all kinds of layouts.